Polycarbonate, also known as Lexan, is for the most part a transparent sheet of thermoplastic that is lightweight and impact resistant, making it a practical material choice throughout our competition. We found it to be particularly useful when making robots during competitions. It allows us to create light components of any shape or size, such as the walls of our reservoir. To do so, it can be cut into specific shapes and then modified to precision by drilling or bending it at will. Polycarbonate comes in a variety of different thicknesses depending on your project. So, with a heat gun and some wooden planks connected by hinges, the desired angle is quickly achieved on even the thickest plastics. When special engravings or precise shapes are necessary, polycarbonate can still be used. With the help of a CNC machine, we can create intricate components of our own design and then assemble them directly onto our robot. Warning: always wear eye protection when using power tools. Actually, safety glasses are made of polycarbonate. Its molecular structure makes it 250 times stronger than glass and perfectly bulletproof. That impressive shock resistance makes it an ideal material to choose when building rigid components. Polycarbonate is also an excellent electrical insulator, allowing us to mount our circuit on a safe surface and keep it protected from external forces during the game. It can also be used in a multitude of ways in the kiosk. Polycarbonate can be used for rigid structural support, as well as it can be used for aesthetic purposes. We use this light material so components can be easily assembled at the competition. Its translucent property allows multicolor lights to shine through and gives personality to the decor. Polycarbonate is not to be confused with acrylic, another transparent plastic sold in sheets, and though its lower price may seem compelling, it doesn't compare to the bulletproof nature of polycarbonate. Even outside of robotics, polycarbonate benefits other hobbies, whether that be making fun crafts such as earrings, or making music. Polycarbonate can also be used on a larger scale, such as in greenhouses. Real greenhouses? Thank you. All in all, this versatile building material is a must-have in your workshop. Its combined strength and malleability are unparalleled and provide a perfect addition to any robotics team.